Okay, guys, here we go. Follow me and move up. Go! All right, you guys go crazy. I'm gonna not do stupid shit today. Yeah, through the door. Almost got one. All right, if that guy's on that wall, we can move. We're not doing any good back here anymore. Come on, guys, let's go. Let's bring it in, guys. Come on. Bring it on down. Come on, guys. Let's move it down to the wall, okay? If we get all these windows covered, we got this game won, okay? Come on, let's go. We can do it. Come on, follow me. Follow me. You're good. You're fine. Hey, buddy, how we doing? Watch yourself. There's going to be guys across the castle from you. No, the guys on the wall are ours. We have guys on both walls now. We got to watch the crossfire. Okay, we got guys through the door right here. We're good, we're good, we're good. It's us, it's us. I'm on your team. On your team. They all bounce. Don't shoot me. Got your pod pack, please. Hey, buddy, right here. I just got you. Thank you. Get it out the other way. Go, go, go. Yeah, we got it. Game over. Right. Stupid. Go, 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 go. Oh, shit. Get up there. Get up there. You gotta get in. Hey, bud. Get right in here. Watch out for that window right there. Oh my God, you got the window. You're amazing. Watch those windows too, okay? If we're up here, we're doing great. You're doing great.
Got nothing left, nothing left.
Nothing, neither. They all went right, I think. They're all up top right, all right side. You're doing great though. Here, what you just did, be careful with that, because you're putting your whole gun up there. It makes it a big target, okay? So what you want to do is lean in from the side and tilt your hopper back towards the ball. You're doing great being up here, you know that?
Thank you. I have no fear.
Right side corner! Gotcha! Come on, I see you! Thank you! Thank you! Surrender! Surrender! I shot you! Nelson is insane. Hey! Gotcha! Thank you. Got him. Get up, come on guys, come on, don't shoot, move. Move, 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 do not shoot, move. We gotta move, then we'll shoot. Oh, this is an amazing view from up here, wow. You keep an eye on that one up that way, okay? Ooh, ooh, the one behind him also. The one, there's two up there, they're in back to... Yeah. Ooh, I might hit him. Got you! Leg! Right leg! Right leg! Thank you! Ooh, that guy's hanging way out. If I can snake one in there, I can hit him. Yes, got him! If you get that guy. Shit, this is a problem. Oh shit, now we got a problem. We gotta run. Come on, follow me. They're coming up the hill! Behind us!